Okay, so first of all, make sure to go to the search bar in the Windows, go to settings. After that, in the sidebar, go to Bluetooth and devices. Here you will find your Bluetooth section. Go ahead and turn it on from here. After that, you can add any device you want. If somehow this doesn't work or not showing, follow the second method. Go to the search bar, type services. From here, you want to click on anyone and then type B in your keyboard. You want to search for Bluetooth. You got this one, and this one. Go to the first one, right click, and then go to properties. In the startup type, switch it from manual to automatic. Click on apply and then click OK. Go ahead and do this for the second and third one. After that, make sure to restart your computer. Now, if your problem didn't get fixed, follow this method. Go to the search bar, go to settings, type troubleshoot in the search bar, click on troubleshoot settings. After that, go to other troubleshooters. In others, you will find the Bluetooth section. Go ahead and click run. By that, any technical issue will be fixed. Now, if all these methods didn't work, most likely your device doesn't support Bluetooth by its own. So what you have to do is buy a Bluetooth adapter like this one showing. After that, plug it into your device and your problem should be fixed.